in your experience with construction projects, so Clark Center has a lot of buildings. You guys you've done a lot of construction projects. I don't know if you've necessarily done design build before. You've kind of done like design and then bid it out and then get a contractor and then build it. So design, bid, build. Did you see any advantages to this procurement method being design build and the engineer leading kind of the contract?
So the biggest advantage I seen to doing a design build was the fact that I was essentially dealing with the same person the whole time.
One point of contact.
One point of contact. It didn't seem like we were getting things crossed up between architects and engineers.
Yep.
And that helped a lot. Felt like it streamlined the whole process quite a bit more. Ran 24/7. It was very difficult to operate, and not a lot of the controls weren't in place anymore to even operate it.
And then so one thing we did is we kind of, part of the project was not only getting rid of the steam boiler, but it was getting, more high efficient hot water heaters, high efficient steam condensing boilers up on the penthouse, and then also putting variable speed drives and an air handler and all the pumps and things like that.
Correct.
That allowed us to really slow down the frequency to that equipment. Where have you seen between the boiler and the electrical savings? What have you seen kind of per month?
So this winter, it looked like basically overall on the gas savings and the electrical savings has been about 40%.
40%.
This summer, I look for it to be far higher.
Because you're not running that boiler.
Because we're not running that boiler for our hot water, but 40% is.
Because we should be able to. I mean, there might be some internal rooms that need a little bit of heating in there, but we should be able to almost shut the condensing boilers virtually off, right?
Yep. Exactly.
So just having that separation has been really nice. I think so too. And then getting control, because we did add the controls to this too. We kind of upgraded your plant to new building automation controls. That's been a lot friendlier to use, right?
Much friendlier, very friendly system to use. Company that we went with, getting it set up was
good.
Was wonderful. Definitely user friendly. Since we put in the control systems, it's on the computer now, and I'll check everything over. I do walk through the mechanical rooms periodically, but just far easier, far simpler setup. It was daily inspections on the boiler, yearly inspections through the state. Of course, we also had to put chemicals in, keep our chemistry right on the boiler. We don't really have any of that now. We of course still do daily inspections, but I can honestly do a lot of that off my computer now through our control systems.